add mushrooms, spin it. Just keep on spinning this. Washed mushrooms. All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash mushrooms by using a salad spinner. Now this method right here is a great method for cleaning off mushrooms very gently and enabling them to be washed thoroughly inside of the salad spinner. All right, I'm going to go through the whole process with you. So right here I have organic baby bella mushrooms. These are whole, made by Monterey mushrooms. All right, they are organic. So what I'm going to do is simply take out some mushrooms, place them inside of a bowl, however many mushrooms that you want. I'm not going to cut them up, but you can cut them up and then use the salad spinner if you'd want to, but I'm going to keep them whole. All right, so I'm going to put these inside of the bowl, just like that. Maybe a couple more mushrooms. And then I'm going to go to the next part. I'm going to fill this up with water. Not all the way, but just maybe halfway, and then get going with the process. Let's get going with that. By the salad spinner, I'm just going to go ahead and add mushrooms or add water to it. Right here. I'm going to add water to it. And now the water that I'm adding to it is cold water or room temperature water right here. You don't want hot water all the way in here because hot water will actually cook the mushrooms somewhat. So I'm going to fill it up perhaps halfway. There's a lot of mushrooms in there. Then I'm going to put the top of the salad spinner on top right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this and spin it like that. And doing this, the mushrooms are being cleaned. I'm going to show you from the side this process. Let me show you that. So here's from the side. You can see what's going on right here. You can see that the mushrooms are being turned around. And I do a method where I stop right here. And this allows the water and the mushrooms to keep spinning, effectively allowing different kind of cleaning action going on here. So I'm going to just keep on spinning this. And you might want to do is hold on to the handle and then spin it. So you can see the mushrooms spinning again. And I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to let you see what's going on right here. So inside, you can see the mushrooms are turning. You see the water has all of the debris from all the mushrooms. It landed inside the water. Now I'm going to strain it using this salad spinner. Let's go do it. It comes down to straining them. So what I'm going to do is just going to go ahead and pour this and strain all the water out right here. And then what's left when I open it up, washed mushrooms, all right? And that is how you use a salad spinner to wash mushrooms. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.